Today, we are making 3 amazing noodle dishes at drastically similar price points because they were all made in my kitchen. And at the end of the video, I'll let you know it was definitely worth it. Jokes aside, we are making jjajangmyeon, chili garlic, and creamy avocado noodles. For the jjajangmyeon noodles, sorry if I butchered that, start by dicing half an onion into small pieces and then repeat with a zucchini. I wouldn't dice these as small as the onion, but just small enough. Then really mince some garlic, and at an angle, cut some green onions. We're shooting for something that looks just like this. This will be for the garnish, so cut the rest of the onion booty just like normal. In a large enough sauce pot, add some oil and sweat the onion and zucchini, sprinkle over some salt, and add your ground beef, along with freshly cracked black pepper and fresh garlic. Add a heaping tablespoon of black bean paste, mixed together before adding just enough water to barely cover. A cornstarch slurry to thicken up the mix, then adjust salt levels, add your green onion booty, and it should look something just like this where you can run it through and it coats your spatula. For all these recipes, we're going to be using a bundle of fresh potato noodles. No reason why, I just like these. By the way, if you've made it this far into the video and still haven't subscribed, okay. Look, statistically, one in every single one of you is probably not subscribed, and I would just really appreciate it if you did. Helps a really small channel like me continue to grow and make more recipes for people just like you. Anyways, to place these noodles into a bowl and spoon in a good amount of your beef mixture over and garnish with green onions that we cut earlier. And those are my Jjajangmyeon noodles. For the chili garlic noodles, it's even easier and it shouldn't even take more than 20 minutes. Simply add shallots, garlic, and 2 tablespoons of chili oil. And look, this stuff will make your house smell delicious, so be warned. When ready, add your fresh noodles along with 1/4 cup of heavy cream, a nice pinch of salt, and a wee bit of that pasta water. Toss to aerate that sauce and admire the noodles that took no time at all to make, and plate onto your favorite bowl. Garnish with green onions, some sesame seeds, and voila! Fresh and savory chili garlic noodles. And now for this one, it's a little crazy, but hear me out. Zesty avocado sauce noodles. I'm telling you, you need to try this. Simply take the life of 1 lemon, grab a few cherry tomatoes, and here's a kitchen hack. If you have 2 deli lids, place the tomatoes on one and then top with the other and slice. It's so much faster than cutting each one individually. Dice some shallots, cut a ripe avocado, make sure it's ripe and plump, just like you. Remove the seed, and into a blender, add your avocado, the shallots, the juice of the lemon, and a little bit of red wine vinegar. Blend until smooth, and if it's too chunky, feel free to add a tablespoon of water to loosen it up. To a pan, add your tomatoes to cook for a bit before adding the fresh noodles, followed by the creamy avocado sauce. A splash of that pasta water, turn off the heat, add salt and pepper to taste, then just mix to combine and toss to aerate that sauce. Plate up and decoratively add those tomatoes back. Garnish with some sesame seeds, and we have our creamy avocado noodles. This stuff is insanely delicious, as well as the other 2 recipes. But I'm telling you, this one just hit different. And if you want to make any of these recipes, I've left a list of ingredients down below in the description, along with everything I use. Subscribe for more videos just like this, and I'll catch you on the next one, you bunch of nerds.